Today we are going to see a new topic in light energy, that is refractive index. What is refractive index? It is defined as the ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in given medium. So it is the ratio of two similar quantities, so they are cancel each other. So it is a pure number and it is unitless quantity because it is the ratio of two similar quantities. And the value of this refractive index is never be less than 1 because the speed of light is maximum in air. That's why the refractive index is always greater than 1 or greater than 1. Next, we go for the important topic, name is called law of refraction. What is law of refraction? The first law of refraction is the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal lie on the same plane. This is first law of refraction. And second law of refraction, the ratio of sine of the angle of incident to the sine of the angle of refraction is a constant. And this law is also known as a Snell's law, and this constant is also known as a refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium. Okay, this is about law of refraction. Next we go for some of the examples of refraction in our day-to-day life. A pencil partially immersed in a water in a glass tumbler appears to be bent at the interface of air and water, that is because of the refraction of light. And second, if a coin is placed at the bottom of a tumbler filled with water, the depth of the coin is appeared to be less than the actual true depth. This is also because of the refraction of light. And the same way, a lemon kept in a water taken in a glass tumbler appears to be bigger than its actual size when viewed from the other side of the tumbler. This is also because of the refraction of light. Okay. Next we go for an important two concept, that is first one is atmospheric refraction. Okay. In atmospheric refraction, as we know that the temperature of a air is not same in atmosphere. So due to the hotter and cooler, the cooler atmosphere air layer behave as a optically denser medium, and hotter atmosphere or air layers behave as a optically rarer medium, because in cooler the air molecules are close to each other, so it is considered as a denser medium. In hotter air the molecules are away from each other, so it is behave like a rarer medium. So when the light ray passes through the atmosphere, they undergo refraction while passing from one air layer to another air layer of different optical densities. This phenomena is known as the atmospheric refraction. Okay. And next important concept is, example is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. This is also due to the refraction of light. First, due to the atmospheric refraction, the sun is visible for us 2 minutes before an actual sunrise and 2 minutes after actual sunset. Thus, the apparent duration of the day increased by 4 minutes. The sun is slightly below the horizon, but due to the atmospheric refraction, the apparent position of the sun appears to be above the horizon. Okay, this is also because of the refraction of light. So up to this we are conclude, and we will continue in the next class.